Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a color code in Excel. Then click cells, then go to color palette, fill color, more colors, customs, select colors. I select this, then I select this color. We can see is AXX. This is color code. Simply Control C and copy. OK. Control V, paste this color, and this is color code. You apply this color code, simply copy this color code, Control C, then select cells, go to color palette, more colors, customs, remove color code, then Control V, paste, and OK. We can see same to same this color. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.